Now these two tools bit complicated actually. If I click on this tool, okay, now you'll see I have dragged it a bit outside my original object to give a bit 3D effect to this. Drag it a bit nearer to this. So I selected this particular object and I'll go to this extrude tool options here. What we are saying is use solid color. So select this. If I change the color here, you see the original box color, your original object color remains same. Rest of the extrude effect, it changes the color. Okay, change the color to something else, it changes the extrude effect color. Okay, now the third is use color shading. So this is color shading. If I remove the outline, you will see a depth effect on this box. Okay, here I can change the color. See, if you change the original box color, original object color, it changes. You can select your original object here and you can change the color, but for the rest of the extrude effect, you can change the color from here through extrusion color. This is the third option. In extrusion color, third option, change the color from here. Start from blue, starts from the blue, it ends to some else. Start from any of the color you like, and you can end it any color you want to. That is the extrusion color. That's called extrusion color. Okay, it doesn't change the color of your original object. Okay, the original object color can be changed only through selection. Like if you select the original option, then only you can change the color. Okay, but the rest of the extrusion color can be changed through this one. Extrude, you go to extrude tool option. In extrude tool options here you can see the extrusion color. Okay, from here you can change. Again, if you go to the first option, it brings to its original color. Like if I put some outline, you will be able to understand the depth effect, the 3D effect on this object. Okay, that is extrusion color. This is extrude, and next we will see is this bevel. So if I click on use bevel, see it creates a bevel like shape. See inside this original object it has created a bevel. This is called a bevel. In extrude, if I go to use bevel, show bevel only, if I click it removes all the extrude effect from behind, and it shows only the bevel on this object. Okay, bevel also you can change the size and depth. You can rotate, so you can rotate the bevel. This is angle actually, so you can change the angle, the bevel depth. And if I want the extrude, the background extrude on this, I just need to untick this, that is show bevel only. So you can see the entire object, entire extrude effect on this particular object. Okay. So that is through here, like use bevel. If I click untick the use bevel, it removes the bevel effect on this. Bevel is basically, it creates another object inside your original object, but it gives a 3D type of shape to this. See, there is a small there's a lines which has been created from your original object to a bevel object. That is, this is bevel object. The lines and it has connected your original object to this bevel object through these 4 lines. Okay, that is bevel. From here also you can drag and change the shape. Click on the small square what you see here on the bevel options, and you can drag and change the shape. Increase or decrease the shape. Through here also you can do, and through figure also you can do. Okay, so I'll remove this bevel, and we'll see the next one is this is basically extrusion lightning. Okay, it applies lightning effects. This is first lightning effects. See, it has applied lightning effects from this top right corner. Okay, I can change it anywhere. As I move this box, small circle here, this is the light basically. This is basically a light. As I put the light on this box, you see that light effect on your object. see this, and I can use the intensity of the light, like if you want to increase the light effect or decrease the light effect. So this is use full color range. Okay, there are three type of lights. You can put three different lights here. Three different light here. So I can put three different lights on three different positions. So this is called the light effect. Okay. If I want to remove the light, I just need to click on these light boxes. I remove all the lights. That's called light effects. And suppose if I want to remove the entire extrusion effects from here, all the extrude effect from this particular object, what I need to do is simply click on the last tool option, that is here. Click, it removes all the extrude effects from your object. So this is the extrude effect. Click and draw an object and simply drag your mouse. It creates an extrude effect on this particular object, and by dragging your mouse you can change the extrude depth or 3D effect, depth of the 3D effect, or through this object, through tool options you can change the depth or positioning of this extrude effects. Okay, if you want to remove, you can remove it by clicking on this. This particular tool is to copy the extrude effect from, suppose if I draw an object here, this is an object, and apply some extrude effect on this. Okay, this is an extrude effects. I won't fill any color, and I have drawn this extrude effects. Given some extrude effects on this object, second object. What I do is I click on this copy extrusion, and it asks me from where do you want to copy. I click on this object here. Just remember, wherever you click, it should have some extrude effects on that object. Okay, if I click this, it creates those effect on your second object. Okay. Okay, the same effects has been given to the another object. And suppose if I want this this effect, if I want to copy, suppose if I draw a circle here, fill some color. Okay, and I want all the extrude effect of this particular object on this. What I do is I click on this, I click on extrude tool, I go to this particular tool, copy extrusion properties, click on this, and it replaces your mouse arrow to this particular arrow, this black arrow, and ask me from where do you want to copy all the extrusion effects. I will click on this object where I have given some extrude effects. Click on this, it creates all the extrude effects on your object. Okay, so this is what the extrude tool does.